Hey guys, I'm here with another review. Actually, a couple of them, and I'm going to start with the latest one, which is Trixie Treasures. I wanted you guys to check these out because I'd gotten a couple of these, and it wasn't a big package this time, and I'm actually rummaging through. I have a box of stuff here that it wasn't a huge box of these, and it was actually yummy to begin with. So I'm going to go through these with you guys, and these are Trixis Treasures, and these are the pretzel parlor one, and they had just released these last week, so I'm kind of a bit late. These are pretzel twists, and these are the ones that are like berry. I don't know if you guys could see that, but that's the berry right there, and it's like blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. And then it's got these in them. The pretzel dip is just so good. It is white chocolate, and it is dipped. And I tell you, it has the flavor of strawberries. And, oh, it was so good. And then, of course, you know, my 9.0 Underground, which I loved, which is the Cinnamon Sugar Puffs. And then, of course, you have the pretzel parlor, which is the milk chocolate covered vanilla cream filled wafers. And these are the swords, and these are individually wrapped. That's why I left that plastic in there so you guys can see it. And this one is my ultimate favorite, and I've been telling everybody who has gotten the one for Trixis Treasures, you have to try this. This actually scared me, and it was funny when it did. I'm sitting there, and I'm eating it. I'm talking to my friend that I've known since we were, you know, knee-high to a grasshopper, and I'm sitting there and I'm eating the Chantilly's Soda Fountain Strawberry Soda Treasure Mix. Okay, that's this, and that's what it actually is supposed to taste like. At first I didn't notice it, and then it just jumped out at me. I'm like, oh my gosh, this tastes like strawberry soda. She goes, well, what does it say? I said, well, it's Chantilly's Soda Fountain Strawberry Soda Treasure Mix. She goes, well, duh, it's supposed to taste like that. That's the way she is, guys. Oh, I'm so sorry. This one is also neat, and this one is a cinnamon yogurt pretzel twist. And this one is so yummy. This is the cinnamon one, and yeah, I am in love with this one. Like, if I could get my hands on more of it, I'd be chowing down right now. This one is the Chantilly's Cookie Bakery, and this is the milk chocolate chip crispy butter shortbreads, and these things are yummy. Now, we only got a small package of 8 of these, and somebody had made a comment on Instagram because I was holding it like this: pick a card, pick a card, pick a card. So they were like, oh, it looks like money or cards or something. Yes, it does. Let's pick a card, pick a card, pick a card, pick a card. But I would suggest if you guys are going to check out, you know, the Trixis Treasures, I do have 2 of the ones that I have sponsored from them. Not sponsored, but, you know, I've given them permission to use my picture. I do enjoy their stuff. You guys know I don't back any products 100%. Unless I absolutely adore them. And this is one of the products that I do absolutely adore, and I have back 2 of them. One is a chocolate martini, and the other one is a, what'd she say? Something, a Hawaiian hurricane. Now, I don't know if you guys have ever had a hurricane. Some of you probably have not drank, or if you've ever heard the song, It's 5 O'Clock Somewhere by Toby Keith. He also sings about it. It is a very fruity, fruit punchy drink, and I enjoyed it. Now I have a candy where I don't have to have the alcohol. The chocolate martini, it comes in, and it sounds disgusting to most people, but what it is I call it adult chocolate milk. If you have it on Trixis Treasures, you will actually taste it, and it is completely there is no alcohol in Trixis Treasures at all. It tastes sinful. It's not. You can enjoy yourself. Just don't go overboard, guys. But seriously, I would like to back these as well. The pretzel parlor is amazing as well. I'm telling you that I would like to back this as well, 100%. I know I don't put my name on virtually a lot of things because, yeah, I don't want to be affiliated with a lot of things, but I am telling you that, yeah, this one I would definitely back 100%. I'll be going through a couple of companies later on, and I will tell you which ones that I would highly recommend and back, and which ones that I would not at all, for simple reasons, and I will give you my reasonings then. But this one I would love to back, not because that it's a junk food, but because 9 times out of 10, a lot of these have 18 grams, okay? These have 13 grams, okay? That's 13 grams of sugar. And this one is 1 gram of sugar, okay? This one is 13 grams of sugar. And I told you guys I take anywhere from 1 to 8 grams of sugar. Sometimes I cheat and I take 13 grams. But I'm not gaining any weight either, so that's a good thing. With that said, guys, have a great holiday. Have a great week. And the next week, enjoy your goodies. Check out some Trixie's Treasures, even the ones with my name. If you don't, check out the pretzel ones. The pretzel ones are amazing. I adore them. I'm so glad I got to try them again. And if you guys would like to try it and have not tried any of the Trixie's Treasures, okay, I'm going to let you know that I am allowed to choose 5 people. So if anybody would like to try the Trixie's Treasures, let me know. Leave it in the comment section. I will, message you, get your information for the company. This way I can pass it over to Trixie's Treasures, and you guys can check it out yourself. Just remember, it's only 5 people, and I will see you guys in the next video. Be good to each other. Love you guys. Bye.